So at this one middle school, they had a rule that was no talking before class. The rule was, as soon as you stepped into the classroom, you had to be completely silent until the lesson started. No whispering, no greeting, nothing. Now, at first, this sounds kinda reasonable, right? Well, there was this one teacher that took this rule completely too far. In that class, one time, a kid sneezed and said, "Excuse me." He got a detention. Another kid dropped his pencil, his friend picked it up and said, "Here." That kid also got a detention. And one time, the teacher wasn't even in the room yet and a kid coughed too loud that she heard it in the hallway, boom, detention. And if the teacher walked in and somebody was actually having a full-blown conversation, they wouldn't just get in trouble, the entire class would. Like, I'm sorry, is this school or solitary confinement? That's messed up.